we haven't brought anyone in yet. There might be a few people going out. I don't know if we've definitely guaranteed that we're not bringing anyone in, but I think we're always looking. But yeah, I think we're happy with the squad. We've done well last year, so done well in Europe. So I think we're pretty happy this year.
I think going forward, I think there's only one game last season that we haven't scored in. So obviously we've always looked dangerous going forward. The full backs, the wingers, strikes, everyone chips in with the goals, even the centre half. So I think going forward, that's our danger.
For us as a group, it was obviously to go and win everything again and do treble twice in the bounce, never been done before. So that'll be the ambition for this season, without a shadow of a doubt.
For me personally, I'd say Newtown. I think Newtown done well last year.
Maybe Connor's key.
Really strong, yeah, Connor's key. But yeah, I think Newtown, the manager's done really well there. I can see them doing well this year.
Goalkeeper, probably
Mully.
Yeah.
Mully for us.
Yeah, Mully from us.
Great shot stopper, throw himself in front of anything.
Yeah, defensively, maybe Pearson from Airbus, good ball player but can defend as well. Yeah, defensively. Midfield, Venables. Yeah,
Get some goals.
Yeah, possibly.
Two more.
Need a winger in there.
Need a goal scorer.
Punchy from Bala. Be a good addition to it. And winger wise, now you need someone with a bit of flair, don't you? Who's got flair? Age. Play outfield though.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
As an outfielder.
Yeah.